real. We have to look back to the rock formation. It's a very beautiful place. You have to be here, man.
Yeah. Voter first for you. Keep in touch always, all the time.
All over the world. It's Voter First Media in collaboration with Tor Voter, Tor Logba, and Ghana Tourism Authorities. We are here at Logba Klikpo. We just discovered a beautiful place, Logba Klikpo rock formation. Stay tuned. We're going to bring you more. Bye for now.
Agbo na votu kwa agba mieva logba klikpo alebe miegava dogare alo nugare de fafia votu kwa alebe le vota ingbajia mawu gakɔ nu gã tɔxɛ aɖe da ɖe afi abale mi le kpɔma ekpe gã ɖe ale afia yike edidi ŋutɔ nyemate nya ye mese fo enye nukunu alebe wòhiã be eʋevi ɖe sia ɖe wòadze agbagba wòake ɖi wòava klikpo hafi ekpea le wòava kpɔ enu yiwo ke dzɔdzɔm le afi abale mi le kpɔma etsi gã aɖe hã dzadzam menye tsivi o ba etsi mele mia gbɔ ɖom o enye nukunu eye ne mi tso le afia miedo to afi ʋudzi hafi va miedo to akpae evɔ ne mietɔtrɔ gadzoa nukunutɔe nye be mieyi ga to edovi ale afi edovi ame mi toto ge hafi adzo abale mienye kpɔma megegem ne me ma he ok evɔ mieyi ge ato ekpe ya gɔme abe abɔwuieve zɔzɔme abɔwuieve ka ɖeka ava do ɖe ekpea me akpa me alebe enye nukunu nɔvi ɖe sia ɖe ne va ne ava kpɔe.
This is your favorite host, Vida Dogbida, bringing to you live from the hub of Voter Fest. We are here live at Logba Klikpo, bringing to you the history of the people. With me here are our chiefs. Okay. Maruku, Anibila, Anio Blatu.
I'm Mauli, Kanya. Go klikpo. Amdu unansa shama abiachi.
Amu Mbu Walter Dafo. AP Church Kamimika.
Amu nasa samwa. Tamle. Muklikpo.
Mkonyenye Prince Asibeche alo de la Komla. Cho Logba Tota.
Every time that want to click on your history, each of the heba, he will be queen with
I think with click on the day is look pana.
Pana tibo click bo. Look at ya that it pay click bo way black bo. Any to with a zogway. Yes, you have to way forward.
Klikpo mkwenye kwe. Ku ebila pana le fo e chame tue. Atu klikpo we. Ati até no pa de gordo na que veio bobo vetawe ninho baio tá até ver claro de quoi ati clame bente apanake e fogo atuati bu anutiu te ati ati bu ko e panango te ilu ko e meta
te umi dueri akpanao enya ngoche e dogumo e be fo agokoliwa moku ati dogu agleni atua ti du ina gba to ti dite to pe ti jikute ogba bliwo ati fo akpana eti epe atu klikpo atu nasa ofe onya akpana wenche o le tete akli ente akli ome ole o bu atu me yo pre ete jiete akli po akli ala fana ha ete akli ome ole onya klikpo ani ete akli mama alegusao akpe eba ete jite oshama ebe dole amango fe eleba edu boje ape ebe do ati ju ozanu ita ati nya akli afanu ara anye klikpo odogu bonji idime
The Maribu Matu Bute and every time Akpana way a play history dawa to fair. Yes, we be managed at
akpana iti fe igbota ete atu igbota onupa onya anu batine ogbo onupa ekpere akpana ebi mebe ni ovanye ke pe iru amo opaya ilo minyanu itate amome eto gba akpana opete yo pre ete jirete akpana amo itate akpana amome ola to gba akpana echietu ara pete itate ate ajimpe amo omu ilaglago te odu ope obochuno igbo ovanye keta imbro pe odome motanye ogbo chuno iya ti rute temi inazengo emi zuzo iva alo temi savo etete amome okoko akpana igbota petetu etete akpana igbota ime metayi utrobo memi te emi abi okpe te emi zuzu bata tie klikpo onupachi onya klikpo ebe mebe odu akli ologo yonta ubio ye emi zuzo ivime fe akpada pete anu itate odue ate oboba obove akpanato inashina mivuvoni ba akpana ibota ekwashikpe iye nui ye akpana ichi opete ebe fida ate painta atu nasa akliomeri ole ogota fe akpana pete anu dokbre elunkante otani akpana pete gba dokbre te remile ju onupa nango a pete anu dokbre okuele atu nasa ome atu bro iva ibu paten dokbre ni akpana atabu nango nango pete limita odabra ibu odabra kafra ate alekpaten o fa ho dumo ajimedi eduva gbangbang ka akpana yabo so mata yin lo dokbre ke anoko blo ko ba li do oda kameyo o nani ilumetu blari aje o katabu bla odabra aje bo tete ele egbemla akpana klikpo te la atabo mete allo atabo apa siapa ebo aitu adupa akpana kota pete adupa o ke obo osopo o te aloblela kakere eka opoble eleka klikpo ble do owi aje bete gbata bo te la klikpo klikpo ola alobleko atabo bete ola ibime ibu akpana pete igbago elo yi tete klikpo ele ju akpana pete unupa nango inupa o igbo ogokoso pepe kake ale nango ble ibu odabra anye
ma bulu me chamte non e lu me la ma e ma chatu na chimbo bi la ma bui
entende no wa o para ko e go amfa dite mu wate e bi me pete akpana mo
Amo.
ozo gbadu ole onyanfa
e je mi no numpa
amo
amwa olo to gba o ta pete akpana
Ó jàǹfà.
dokbre ali lota go
Ojúmọ́. Ẹ kéde àmọ́ ẹ tẹ̀ àmọ́.
ojuma
Ojuma
o ailu
Àǹfà.
le femi dancenda okay that is it.
So viewers, from what we just discussed, what we just heard, it's simple as this. So before the logbas will come here, they were led by the people of Klikpo, and we are in Klikpo today to know our roots, our people, where we come from, and how we managed to get here. So the Klikpos, they were the first people that led the logbas from Nochie to this place, and then when they came, the first person to discover here was called Akli. He discovered here first, and then he was accompanied by his brothers too, and then they discovered this place before. So this was where they lived first before anything, and then later, those times we all know that there was nothing like Christ, so they were worshiping their gods and stuff. And then later on, one day, their God had a revelation that there is this terrible disease that is going to come and then to destroy all the people of Logba. So he was requesting for a sacrifice, a human sacrifice, to avenge the disease. But then, going through the people, the Logba traditional area, he couldn't get anybody to sacrifice his son or child. But then Akli, who led the people, who discovered Klikpo here, he was ready, and then he decided to give his son for the sacrifice to avenge the disease. So when he gave his son, and then the people came together that no, this man is a brave man. He can actually sacrifice, he can even put his own life on the line for the people of Logba, for them to survive, for them to be alive. So they all came together and be like, okay, if this is how this man is, then our paramount chieftaincy will be here for us, because if he is able to sacrifice his son, then we don't have problem having our paramount chieftaincy here. That is how come the whole Logba traditional area, our paramount chieftaincy is in Logba, Klikpo. By then, the god that they were worshipping was at Logba Alakweti, but that doesn't mean it was a chief or a king. No, it was only a god that was worshipped there. But then the paramount chieftaincy itself is in Klikpo, where we are now. Yes. So the name Klikpo came about when their leader Akli discovered this place. Actually, the name is not Klikpo. You see, then times it was like a household. So Akli wape meto, Akli wokpo meto, tala ami agona be meyede Akli wokpo me, meyede Akli wokpo me. Then the name became Aklikpo meto, but then because of this modernization and stuff, we decided to roughlize it small, and then it became Klikpo. So the actual name is Aklikpo meto. Thank you. Viewers, now we want to know the source of livelihood of the people of Logba Klikpo, their culture. If there is any festival they celebrate, we want to know. Okay. Yokwe mareku atiyai tati pe Klikpo we hidute aja pebo etedi kidute eche ofa gbenono like ofe gapo like wona ono na agbe le Klikpo mareku mitile mma
Atiti kabo te ati mi mwida te ati mi ndo ogbotrome te upoka gwene igwita tu mekwe te uwa bo atibu sada ati abogbewa abewa oso wayo abo ofivoza abogbewa oso te ha ani sibiablo igwito se atumekwe upoidu abo tajiga abo mi agbenu abo jobuche abo do bebe ka azo ayotomi apete te itale ta fitibla itate ibe itate ati bizo se bite ati kuzochi ati apiruchi ku ati bibulo izo hizo pe foi itati ati mieblo isami and every 25th September, at the Ta tomat mi vive, a molenbi, Mikunu, at the Bimbo, Sami, at the Juda, which we had to be or Botromi.
Akpanao, ale mi ejodugo, even atu chinchemi. Atu akpanawa ye avie elekele enyingbe agboban pete ye ete ijorugoje eke eleka ejogbo pointime yopre atu gunjeni do atati luiteta ale do wonche atati luiteta yopre atu wa ye ete ivagreleje ye elebro egbejo lugbe me ete glu amu fe ete glu amu ete gutu amu fe ebiaben akpana me joe pointi me okona nye ke atu gati bokwane atimileta ya mu alo atimileta ngudu yo ebiaben okunye ke blo amu ke ete hu au huka ilu umunchi anya ete je umunchi ebiaben inya edugate otu meme na ye bliga je amu inya moko npegbele nevuvo atati chotu.
All right, so viewers, from our discussion so far, the people of Klikpo actually they engage in farming. Okay, and then before they farm, you see the place is kind of hilly, so mostly they do yam farming mostly. So before that, because the place is on a hill, they'll have to struggle, go through a whole lot before they'll be able to level the ground and then build the yam molds before they plant their yam. In the process, most people get injured, some get hurt, some even pass through that and die. As a result of that, when you are able to do everything and then you are still alive, when it's time for harvest, after the harvest, we now celebrate yam festival. So most of the people around us, they got the celebration of yam festival from we the klikpos, we the logbas. They took it from us. So we celebrate our yam festival on the 25th of September. Mostly all the logba traditional areas will celebrate their own along the way, and then we the klikpos, we round it up on the 25th of September, and that day it rains heavily. Since we started celebrating it, there is no day 25th September has never passed without a heavy rain falling. Again, we cultivate rice, which is the amu. The red local rice is from us. We the klikpos, the red rice is from us. We deal in that too. That is our source of livelihood. That is where we get our money from for the developmental projects that we undertake in this community. Thank you. Now we want to know how they discovered the rock formation, how it came about, how they managed to know that place, because yesterday I was there, it wasn't easy at all. Enche ani blota he ani egbe mo ati ya itati pe.
Ipa atu klikpo we ubokago. But Ivanu Pigo, but that one at the book. So, Ubokago, where Anape Ebo, a Tivan, a good a bamboo. The anyway, I had to cook, I don't know what to cook. A grammar at a particular egg beachy. A bay, a fofata on cook. Egbe ekisa mrumalinyo petelo okunkwe ibi blobatene ucha alo ukla kame iye ibi bete emuye atana sawo beso yate ibi eje ibuta nyajechi epatiri chichinta iye yo te ati buye te ibu iva hinya atana binambe ebete mu après uwo meji go go chon zo ara go pété edu uwa ke du klikpo echi chon zo ko ito atupe epe yo nyitu yo pre edu uwa nango gake egbe pe upo iri gbeli blake echi ele tembranye te atu klikpo we te chi butu e ni nya dechi uja atue atelanpe ogodo me ofe chon zo Igu Ivan Pio. I tell you, Nasa, I do go Ivan Pigo, you here no egbe, which in a many a poeta, a which is command a dota, a block make people from shore. Egbe Ivan me more at it in we a bombe, Idu Adi, at it is your quota Adi. Avaichi a de Diego agu uwa no ha go ogbomi o fe enya tin shime ibu ivani ke atana sawo etipete ba atu uwa tu yo pe echi enya tu echi nango ejigwa atu klikpo me so pe layin pe yo eji atu klikpo me layin pe ogodome o eji klikpo me ati layin pe opo eta o pe echi amepete ati game midu echi songo edu upo egbe pe uwara itate ati chiere ati metainu ebila be ekugbe inyoshita koko okugbe inyoshita coffee okugbe inyoshita abe pe iyo odumu kangbele pe iyo gogogo yeko ibo atuwami iye ibu atu traumatic ni ati kena tina ati nweda ati blonpe ati fato bito suku o question pa di te soko tromego atu bo tromene ni dogu i ati nya atu akpana echi to klikpo ani yin se
ya ye tu so gu alaga kele lawe edute atu egbame edo atu enansa o fe yo ogbopanu ta otagugu irute ejicho ke pe klafe mo tetagu amaban etaba edufa gbangban yo pe he aoba eje anyi ye aonado egbemo ko yangbo ono ekpebibo ogbashon pe modu na atu ogbogbo efe odome yo pe te klafe mo ogbogbo fa mo.
About the discovery of the rock formation up there. Like I said before, our fathers are farmers over here. So in the process of their farming, discovering lands, looking for lands to farm, because the whole place was made up of stones, pebbles, rocks. In fact, to get a land to farm on wasn't an easy thing. So in the process of they discovering the lands for their farming activities, they discovered the rock. And then the rock is wide. It's arranged in a certain order. It's very wide, and then it has rooms within it. If you go, it's raining, you can hide. You can even keep your things there. It's safe. Nobody can go there for it. And then it also helped our forefathers when they were fighting with their enemies. The place is in such a way that because they have discovered there, they know their way around that place. So they know where to hide. They know the rooms to hide and then target their enemies and destroy them. So that place, we are unbreakable if we get there. Please come, let us take you there. Come and experience the place yourself. Don't sit there so that I will be talking for you. No, it's not fair. You have to come so that we take you there, so that you see the place for yourself. Come, let me take you to the rooms. I mean the inner rooms. Thank you. Mi blon mi afe jochofe nami tafifi enemi ya ne amediti bi a challenge mi chela mi atotore mi afe afoveji agbona mi ebe ao efi mi cho mi ako afo adegbe Okay, viewers, this is Vida Dogbeda from the News Hub of Volta Fest in collaboration with Tor Logba, Tor Volta, and the Ghana Tourism Authority. We are here at Logba Klikpo, bringing to you the history of our people about the rock formation. Now, we've gotten everything. We know how we came about, where we came from, and where we are today. How come the place is called Logba Klikpo, and then how we discovered the rock formation, how it came about, how our forefathers used to hide there and fight for us, how we win, everything. So in conclusion, please come, let me take you to that place. Thank you. Bye.